In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export products on Shopify. Exporting your products is useful when you want a backup of your catalog, when you need to edit product details in a spreadsheet, or when you are moving product data to another system. Shopify makes this easy by creating a CSV file and sending you a download link. To begin, sign into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Products. This is where Shopify lists everything in your catalog, including product titles, variants, pricing, inventory, and more. Take a quick moment to confirm you are on the main products list page because the export option is located there. Next, look near the top of the products page and click Export. This opens the export dialog where you choose what data Shopify should include and what file format you want. In the export options, select All Products. This setting exports your entire product catalog instead of only a filtered selection. It is the best choice when you want a complete copy of everything in your store, including items that may not be visible on your storefront. After that, choose the file format CSV for Excel. This format is designed to open cleanly in spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel, making it easier to review and edit without formatting issues. Keep in mind that this file can contain a lot of columns, especially if you have multiple variants, so the spreadsheet may look wide. That is normal. Once your options are set, click Export Products. Shopify will start generating the CSV file in the background. If you have a large catalog, this can take a little longer, so give it a moment to process. When the export is ready, Shopify will send a message with a download link to the email address associated with your store admin. Check your inbox for that email, and also check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it right away. Open the message and use the download link to save the CSV file to your computer. It is a good idea to rename the file with the date so you can easily identify it later. That covers everything you need to know.